Welcome to our course, Learning about HTML and How to Use HTML. My name is Lawrence and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I come to you with over 18 years of web development experience, and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to present HTML to you. HTML is the foundation of the internet, and learning how to create HTML code is the starting point to creating web pages and a whole lot more. There's three fundamental core foundations for the internet, and that's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And HTML is the starting point. Within this course, I'm going to be showing you how to type your own HTML tags. I'm also going to be showing you how to work with HTML elements. I'm also going to be introducing you to multiple ways to update your HTML code. All of this and a whole lot more. By the end of the course, you're going to be comfortable with HTML. You're going to see how easy it is to create HTML code, and you're going to have the doors opened up to how much you can actually do with this starting point of just learning to type HTML code. We're going to be working with HTML, showing you how to create elements, how to create images, add images to web pages, hyperlinks within your web pages, how you can structure your HTML code with lists, with paragraphs, with line breaks. This course starts out by introducing you to HTML structure and how you can build your own HTML template. And then we go from there, introducing you to all the wonderful elements and pieces that make up HTML code to get you comfortable and able to write your own HTML code. I'm going to show you how you can create tables, forms, essentially everything you need in order to create and design your own web pages. We're also going to be introducing styling, how we can apply styling to our HTML elements. So when you're ready, let's begin creating some amazing HTML code from scratch.